Hello guys, so welcome back on this new video where we're going to discuss about constant on C++ variable. Constant are variable that value could not change once declared. If you are trying to change them, you're going to have a compile error. So the first kind of constant that we're going to talk about is literal constant. So literal constants are the most obvious kind of constant. So we define them most of the time just on this kind of presentation. For example, integer x equal 12 is a constant. If you are trying to redefine the x value downstairs with another value, you're going to have an error. So it's the same for double y equal at 156 or a string name equal at this value or a character. So most of the time, the literal constant are the most obvious kind of constant, okay? So the next type of constant that you got is character literal constant. So we have the new line, the return, the tab, the backspace, the single quote, double quote, okay? So I'm pretty sure that you already use all this in your code in order to make some jump or something like that, okay? I can implement it here so you can see a little bit how it's working, okay? So let me comment everything on the top here. So right now I have only this one, right? So I'm going to rebuild it and compile it, and you're going to see. Run and execute. You see, hello, we have tab that have been created. We have yarn, and after we move on the next yarn because of the /n. Are you okay? You see? And after that, we jump again. So that's a little bit it about this character literal constant, okay? But also, it's not all. Let me comment this. So the last type of the constant declaration that we have is the constant declarer using the const keyword that we see in the previous video where we have talked about C++ keyword. So right there, for example, if I'm declaring a constant double pi and I'm initializing it to 3.14, and I'm trying after that to redefine it with another number, I'm going to have a compile error. Okay, so that's a little bit it about constant. There is a alt method that we were using to declare constant on the alt version of the alt C++ version using define constant through the pre-processing method. So we were putting some kind of pound, define a value and set up the value. But it's not recommended. We don't use that method anymore on the newer version of on the modern C++ code. Okay, so I'm talking about it just to let you know. So if you see it on the old code somewhere, you have to know that it's a older practice. Okay, it's a old practice. It's a old school practice. Okay. All right. So that's it for this video. Give a thumbs up, like if you have learned something new, and see you on the next video.